Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Blink for charger firmware update checks. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the search bar, type in the Blink registration website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. On the home page, look for the option to create a new account. Click on the sign up or register button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email that you have access to. Next, create a strong password for your account. Confirm your password by entering it again in the provided field. After entering the required information, click on the Continue button. You might receive an email to verify your account. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Blink. Open the email and click on the verification link. This will direct you back to the Blink website. Now, log in using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings or dashboard. Look for the option related to firmware updates or charger settings. Click on Check for charger firmware updates. The system will run a scan for any available updates. If updates are found, you will be prompted to initiate the update process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the update. Once done, you will receive a confirmation message. Your Blink charger is now updated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.